like this wings.
The wing like this. Not the wing is like this. Okay.
And then so this one has a jet stars.
Jet star.
It's for Airbus. It just started 2 engines. So this jet star is the stars here. So this one is of a gray plane. You like your favorite color? Like my cars are gray too.
Oh, you like
My
gray.
cars have gray too.
Mm-hmm.
It's a Mini Cooper. I do a U.S. President plane, the Air Force One.
The U.S. President airplane.
It's the Air Force One.
Mm-hmm. Have you ever flew Air Force One?
No, this is just no passengers. Just U.S. President. But when U.S. President get on this air, it will be say
Will be
Air
called.
Force One.
Yes, will be called Air Force One.
And this is when U.S. presidents sit on KLM, we call Air Force One.
Yes, that's right.
And that's why U.S. president take the Air Force One
Mm-hmm.
with blue engines. And with the 4 engines.
4 engines.
But I don't have a new Boeing 777.
I think we got one Boeing 777, the 777.
Ooh, where's my 777?
I think over there on the shelf. Let's go see.
777.